Archangel Michael, the host of heaven, want to tell you something special today. Beloved child of the light, do not scroll past this moment. This is not a coincidence. The universe has aligned to bring this frequency to your ears because there is an urgent shift occurring in your life right now. I am Michael, the Archangel of protection and truth, and I stand before you with my flaming sword unsheathed. Not for battle, but to cut the cords of fear that have bound you for far too long. Close your eyes for a moment, breathe. Feel the atmosphere around you change, as my blue ray of protection wraps around your shoulders like a heavy, warm mantle. You have been carrying a weight that was never yours to bear. The urgency of this message lies in your readiness. The doors you have been knocking on are about to swing wide, but you must be prepared to leave the old you behind. My beloved child, for many nights you have laid awake, the shadows of what if dancing on your ceiling. You have worried about your finances, your health, and the safety of those you love. I am here to tell you, the battle is already won. The urgency I speak of is the urgency of surrender. You are standing at a threshold. In the spiritual realms, a great clearing is taking place. Think of this as a divine pruning. Anything in your life that does not vibrate with the frequency of your highest good is being shaken. If a door has closed recently, let it stay closed. Do not bruise your hands trying to reopen a path that I have blocked for your own protection. My beloved child, I am stepping into your home, into your workspace, and into your heart right now to clear the stagnant energy of doubt. I am dissolving the whispers of the enemy, the inner critic that tells you that you are not enough. You are a divine spark of the Creator, and it is time you began acting as such. My beloved child, I see the arrows being aimed at you. I see the jealousy of others and the harshness of the world trying to dim your light. Hear me clearly. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. I am placing my shield of truth in front of you. When people speak against you, their words will lose their power before they ever reach your spirit. When the world feels chaotic, you will find a center of peace that defies logic. But there is a condition to this protection. You must stop inviting the chaos back in. Stop dwelling on the betrayals of the past. Stop feeding the spirit of worry with your attention. The urgent nature of this message is because your manifestations are accelerating. What you focus on today, you will live tomorrow. If you focus on your lack, you create more lack. If you focus on my presence and the abundance of the kingdom, you will see miracles manifest before the sun sets. My beloved child, what is that dream you have tucked away in the back of your mind? The project, the healing, the move, the relationship, the spirit is saying now. The time for someday has ended. The cosmic clock is striking the hour of your breakthrough. You have asked for signs, and yet you hesitate when the sign appears. I am your sign. This message is your green light. My beloved child, I am sending my legions of angels to go before you. They are leveling the mountains and making the crooked paths straight. But you must take the first step. Move with the confidence of someone who knows the general of heaven's armies is walking beside them. You do not need to see the whole staircase. You only need to see the next step. My beloved child, I am granting you a spirit of discernment. In the coming days, pay attention to your intuition, that quiet, still voice that is me whispering the directions. If a situation feels off, walk away. If a path feels expansive and full of light, run toward it. My beloved child, I leave you now with a seal of peace upon your forehead. May your sleep be deep, and your dreams be filled with divine instruction. Remember, you are never alone. You are backed by the full power of the heavens. My beloved child, take a deep breath, release the tension in your jaw, release the grip on your life. Let God and let me handle the heavy lifting. You were meant for joy, you were meant for victory. My beloved child, if you receive this message, claim it in your heart. Stand tall, for the Prince of Light is your guardian. Go forth in courage, for the shadows have no power over a soul that is awake. I am Michael, and I am with you always, and so it is.